So, what's up YouTube? I guess it's been a while since my last video. Homeworks and finals just got me killed. Also, I've got a summer class and I'm going to look in for it. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So, is this gaming PC build worth in 2025? I tried a few games and tested it in benchmark. So let's see the results. The first game is Legendary GTA 5 on ultra graphic setting, and I'm getting a solid and stable 60 FPS, which is nice. I pretty much don't need more as my monitor refresh rate is 60 Hz, so why need more, right? While GTA 5 worked nicely with my RX 560 XT, I don't think it will be good for GTA 6 when it's released. Or will I survive until it's released? Who knows? We'll see. I might consider upgrading to an RX 670 XT or an RX 760 XT in the future, but for now it's more than enough for me. So, next game is CSGO or Counter-Strike 2. I'm from Ukraine and for some reason I play this game every day. So hold my class while I'm showing you result. Here I'm getting 100 plus FPS with ultra graphics 16:9 resolution. Usually I don't play with this resolution, but it's just for the video to test the PC. My usual settings are 4:3 resolution and low setting. With these settings I think that I'm simple. Next game on test is SCP-SL. It was my favorite game for a while, but I don't play it much lately. I feel like the game is so unoptimized and needs to be fixed. Also there are a lot of cheaters lately. Lastly, let's see benchmarks. First test was a bit heavy, and I was getting 60 to 20 FPS. Next test, 40 to 60 FPS. So, based on our tests, I think this build is standard for gaming in 2025. It's not super cool, but if your budget is $600 to $700, I think it's the best price for it. Maybe I could find an already built gaming PC with better GPU graphics or something from Facebook, like for $800 or $900. It could be much better, but it's not enjoyable as building a PC by yourself. Also, I'm not like some cool PC technician, but I was trying to find the best deal and components for my PC build to enjoy games and programming that suits for me. So, if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next video.